When you first log on to Canvas, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Your dashboard displays all the current courses you're enrolled into, and on the right-hand side, you can view any upcoming assignments for the current or next week, as well as view any recent feedback from instructors. On the left-hand side is your Canvas navigation bar. Here, you can view accounts. The Account tab lets you view or edit your settings, notifications, or log out. The Dashboard tab brings you back to the main screen that you see when you first log on to Canvas. Clicking the Courses tab will provide you with a drop-down list of all the courses you're enrolled into. You can use the All Courses option at the bottom to add or remove courses from your dashboard. The Group tab displays all the groups you are placed into by instructors. These groups are mainly used to collaborate on certain assignments or discussions. If you don't see this button, don't worry. That just means your instructor has not added you to any groups yet. Canvas also provides you with the calendar where you can view all of your course due dates. This calendar can be viewed weekly, monthly, or just by the upcoming deadlines. On the right-hand side, you can easily select or unselect courses that you'd want to see in your calendar. Clicking the calendar feed allows you to copy a link to share the calendar with other applications. As a student, I find it useful to add it to my phone via Outlook or Google Calendar. Inbox. Your inbox displays all the messages from instructors, course announcements, and can be utilized to communicate with instructors through Canvas. Lastly, the Help tab. The Help tab offers a variety of options to assist you with your issue. Here, you're able to communicate with Canvas support or view other troubleshooting options. To get to a course homepage, you can either click on the icon in the dashboard or use the Courses tab and click on the course name. When you get to the course homepage, you'll be able to see recent announcements. The announcements includes class cancellations, weekly agendas for online courses, or assignment postings. Underneath the recent announcements is all of your course content. This section contains all the course files, syllabi, readings, or other documents needed to complete the course. On the left-hand side, there's also a course navigation section. Here you're able to view assignments, discussions, grades, quizzes, collaborations, which allows multiple users to work on the same document at the same time. I've noticed instructors use this feature for project or final signups. Office 365, this is integrated with applications such as Word or PowerPoint. It serves as an online filing system that allows the user to access and edit their documents. To log in, use the same login you use to access Canvas. Google Drive, this integration with Google allows students and instructors to use, create, share, and collaborate on Google Apps within Canvas. And the Cisco WebEx tab. Let's move on to more specific details about discussions. When you click on the Discussions tab, you'll be able to see all the discussions for the course. To see more specific details and instructions for the discussion, click on the discussion name. To participate in a discussion, hit Reply and write your response in the text box below. In your response, you're able to add links, photos, or files. Once you're finished, press the Post Reply button at the bottom of the page. The post can be edited once published before the deadline passes. To reply to a classmate, click on the Reply button underneath someone's post. Write your response in the text box below, and once you're done, hit Post Reply. Next, let's look at assignments. Assignments in Canvas allow you to turn in papers, videos, PowerPoints, or other types of documents. To view assignments, click on the assignment name. When you click on an assignment, it'll provide you with more specific information. This includes the time and date that it's due, the amount of points the assignment is worth, and the submission type. To submit an assignment, click on the Start Assignment button. Once you start the assignment, select Upload File and choose the file you want to submit. Depending on the assignment, you may have to agree to a plagiarism system that automatically checks your work. Once you're completed, hit Submit Assignment. To open a quiz, click on the Quizzes tab. Then, find and click on the name of the quiz. Clicking on the name of the quiz will provide you with more specific details and instructions. To take the quiz, simply press Take the Quiz. Please note that some quizzes are timed, giving you a certain amount of time to complete the quiz or test before it closes. To access and view your grades, click on the Grades tab. On this page, you'll be able to see all the specific course assignments, the due dates, the score you received out of the max amount of points, and on the right-hand side, you can also see the current percentage or letter grade for all your work completed. Canvas also lets you create hypothetical or what-if grades by editing the score field. Simply click on the score and type in the score you want to test. Cisco WebEx is an online conferencing tool. Online courses may utilize this tool for class meetings. The online meetings can be accessed through the Cisco WebEx tab, or your professor will email you with an invitation. Simply go to the virtual meetings, and your meeting should appear. Students are also able to join through their phones by using the application or dialing in.